नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, याच्या आधी आपण फर्स्ट लेसन सेकंड लेसन हा सेकंड लेसन सुरू आहे. स्टँडर्ड 9th मॅथमॅटिक्स फर्स्ट रियल नंबर प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.3. Before this we have solved example 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to solve the example 5 from the practice set 2.3. Compare the following pair of shirts. First example, compare means if two numbers are given to us, A and B, suppose, then three conditions are there. One, A greater than B. Second, A is equal to B. Third, A less than B. That is called comparison. Comparison means which one is greater, which one is smaller, or third option is are they equal. So how to find out this one? For comparison, example should be in the order should be same and radicand should be same. Then we can say the surds are equal. Compare the following surds. Solution. In the first example, we have given to us 7 root 5 and 5 root 3. How to compare? See here. We cannot compare observing. So simplify this one. 7 root 5 is equal to square of 7, that is 49. It means 7 into root 5. We can, using the laws, 49 into how many? In the first example, sorry, here is 2, not 5. Check the example, 2 is here. So into 2 is equal to 49 to the 98 under root 98. This is equation first. Now see in the second. For the second, 5 root 3 is given to us. So 5 root 3, it means square of 5 is 25. There is not a symbol, so 5 into root 3. 25 into 3 is equal to root 25 3s are 75. This is 2. But 98, first number, what is that? Root 98. 98 is greater than 75. So square root, taking square roots, 98 greater than 75. Therefore, what is this? 98 means 7 root 2 greater than 5 root 3. From 1 and 2. Is it clear now? From 1 and 2 we have right. Compare this one. 98 is greater than 75. Their orders are also equal to, order of this is 2. This one is 2. Now second example. Take out the book. Observe examples carefully. Second one is given to us. What is given to us? Root, which one? That is very simple. 247 and second 274. Order of this surd is 2. Order of this surd is 2. Solution. Given example 2 under root 247 first one, and second one is 274. Here we can say 247 less than 274. Is it clear now? Check the example carefully. 247 less than 274. So we can write under root of 247 less than 274, taking square root. Taking square root. Third example, for second, third. What is the third example? See carefully. 2 root 7 and 28. We have to simplify first one. 2 root 7 is equal to 2 means square root of 4 into 7 is equal to, we can write 4 into 7 is equal to 28. This is equation first. Second one, root 28 is equal to root 28. From 1 and 2. Root 28 is equal to root 28. Therefore, 2 root 7 is equal to under root 28. Is it clear now? Now I am taking another paper for the remaining examples. Now example, which one? Fourth. What is the fourth example? 5 root 5 first, third, and second one is given to us 7 root 2. See here, simplify this one. 5 root 5 is equal to, now you can solve this one, square of 5 is 25 into root 5 is equal to 25 into 5, that is 25 5s are how many? 125, or you can multiply. This is equation first. Now second one, 7 root 2 is equal to square of 7, 49, take out square root, you will get 7, into root 2 is equal to, these are the rules learned by heart, how to calculate or how to multiply. 49 into 2, that is 49 into 2 combine in the one root is equal to 98. 2. Which one is greater? 125 is greater, 98 is smaller. 125 greater than 98. Therefore 125, square root of 125 greater than square root of 98. Taking square root केला आपण, both side. Therefore 125 means 5 root 5 is greater than 7 root 2. Is it clear now? Now example fifth. What is that? 4 under root 42, first one third, second one 9 under root 2. How to compare? First one 4 under root 42 is equal to 4 square 16 into under root 42 is equal to 16 into 42 is equal to what will be 16 2s are 32, carry 3, 16 4s are 64, 64 plus 3 67. Is it clear now? 67, it means 672, equation first. Second one, see here, second side is given to us 9 root 2 is equal to square of 9, that is 81, into root 2 is equal to 81 into 2 under root 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So which one is greater? 162 is smaller, 672 is greater. Now comparing from 1 and 2, but what we can write, first one you have to write first, 672 greater than 162. Therefore taking square root, 672 greater than root of 162. Therefore from 1, 4 root 42 is greater than, this one is 9 root 2, from 1 and 2. Now example 6 we are going to solve one. Check the example carefully. 5 root 3 first third and second one only 9 is given to us. Solution, 5 root 3 is equal to square of this 25 under root into root 3 is equal to 25 into 3 is equal to how many? 25 3s are 75, equation first. Second, 9 is equal to 9, no problem. So what we can write? 75, or you can write root 81 is equal to under root 81, like this. Square root of 81 is 9. But first number 75 is greater than, less than, 75 is less than 81. Therefore root of 75 less than root of 81. Therefore 5 root 3 this third is less than 9 from 1 and 2. Now last example we are going to solve this one. We have to take another page. Sorry. Here last example. What is that? Seventh example. 7 first and second 2 root 5. We have to compare which one is greater. Seven is equal to root 49 first one, second number is 2 root 5, that is 2 square of 2 is 4 into root 5 is equal to 4 into 5, just for rule, not necessary, you can write directly, root 20. So what will happen? 49, we have to compare root 49 and root 20. Which one is greater? Simple. 49 is greater than 20. So therefore under root 49 greater than under root 20. Taking square root के लापन, you can write here. Therefore root 49, it means 7 greater than 2 root 5. From 1 and 2. Have you understood this one? I will try to solve next example. So keep trying, do more and more practice. Best of luck.